You resolved your custody schedule years ago, but now you want to or need to relocate. What should you do about the kids and their schedule? Do they move with you? I'm Jenny Bradley, owner of Triangle Smart Divorce in Cary, North Carolina. Custody relocation cases are some of the most difficult cases we handle because there's no way to keep the exact same schedule and routine for the kids and the parents, unless both parents are moving to the same area, which, as you can imagine, is very rare. So what's important to start with is that if you're planning to relocate, no court can stop you. But the court can stop your children from moving with you. You need to know what courts are looking at when deciding if the children should relocate as well. The first thing a court has to decide is if your proposed move will significantly affect the children. And unless you're just moving down the road or you never see your kids, it's hard to imagine a situation where a parent's move wouldn't affect the children. The second thing the court looks at is pretty obvious. Every move will have advantages and disadvantages for the children, and it's up to the judge to decide if the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and if it's in the children's best interest to allow them to relocate with you. The third thing that's important to understand is that the judge will look at a lot of factors in a relocation case. Here are just some of these factors. The advantages of the relocation in terms of its ability to improve your children's lives. The motives on behalf of the custodial parent seeking the move. The likelihood that the custodial parent will comply with the visitation orders when they're no longer subject to North Carolina's jurisdiction. The integrity of the non-custodial parent opposing the move. And the likelihood that the court can fashion a custody schedule that gives the children time and access to both parents. Gathering evidence and information on these factors well in advance of your anticipated move is the key. Deciding to relocate can forever change the relationship a child has to one or both parents. These cases are complicated and emotional. If you have a job opportunity, a family change, or just the need to relocate, please let us help you evaluate the relocation factors or negotiate a new custody schedule before you go. This is a situation where self-help is not favored by the courts, and it is easier, though not easy, to get permission than to ask for forgiveness. Reach out to us online or give us a call.